Hello and welcome to Startup Money Ethics. Today's topic is 10 services that will never go out of business. There is no service or industry that is completely immune to the possibility of going out of business. According to World Economic Forum, 85 million jobs are going to be replaced by AI in the near future. So if you want to transition into a new profile, maybe it's the right time to do so. However, certain services that are considered essential or have a strong demand are less likely to go out of business, such as: first, healthcare services. The demand for healthcare services will continue to rise as the population ages. Yes, that's correct. As the population ages, the demand for healthcare services is likely to increase, leading to a growing market for healthcare providers. Additionally, advancements in medical technology and increasing awareness of the importance of maintaining good health are also contributing factors to the sustained demand for healthcare services. And AI can't not replace human intervention like doctor and nurses. Second, utilities services. People need access to basic utilities such as electricity, water, and gas, and these services are regulated, ensuring their stability. Access to basic utilities such as electricity, water, and gas is considered essential, and the need for these services is unlikely to decline. Additionally, utilities are often regulated by government agencies, which helps to ensure their stability by setting prices and ensuring that they operate in a safe and reliable manner. As a result, the demand for utilities is likely to remain steady, making it a relatively stable industry. Third, transportation and logistical services. While AI and automation are transforming many industries, including transportation and logistics, it's unlikely that these services will be completely replaced by AI in the near future. The transportation and logistics industry involves complex processes that involve human decision-making and problem-solving, such as managing cargo, navigating traffic, and handling unexpected events. AI and automation can certainly help to improve efficiency and reduce costs, but it is unlikely to replace human workers completely. That being said, it's important for transportation and logistics companies to stay up to date with technology and be prepared to adapt to changes in the industry in order to remain competitive. In the long term, the impact of AI and automation on the transportation and logistics industry is difficult to predict and may change as technology continues to evolve. Fourth, banking and financial services. AI is having a significant impact on the banking and financial services industry and is changing the way financial services are delivered. While AI has the potential to automate many routine tasks and improve efficiency, it is unlikely to completely replace human involvement in the industry. There are certain tasks that require human judgment, decision-making, and empathy, such as complex financial planning, relationship management, and dispute resolution. However, AI can augment and enhance the work of human professionals by providing them with valuable insights, enabling faster and more accurate decision-making, and freeing up time for higher-value tasks. The extent to which AI will replace human involvement in the industry will depend on the continuing advancements in AI technology and the willingness of financial institutions to adopt AI-powered solutions. Overall, it can be said that AI will play an increasingly important role in the banking and financial services industry, but human expertise and judgment will continue to be critical for providing high-quality financial services. Fifth, AI training engineering. AI is having a significant impact on the field of AI training and engineering, and is changing the way AI systems are developed and deployed. However, it is unlikely that AI will cause the AI training and engineering industry to go out of business. AI training and engineering require human expertise and creativity for developing and deploying effective AI systems, and AI is currently not able to fully replace human involvement in these tasks. Furthermore, the field of AI training and engineering is rapidly evolving, and new techniques and algorithms are being developed, requiring human expertise and judgment for their effective implementation. AI can aid in the development and deployment of AI systems by automating certain tasks, improving efficiency, and providing valuable insights. However, human expertise and judgment will continue to be critical for ensuring the quality, security, and ethical implications of AI systems. Overall, it can be said that AI will play an increasingly important role in the AI training and engineering industry, but human involvement and expertise will continue to be necessary for the development and deployment of effective and ethical AI systems. Rest will be explained in the second part of this video. Don't forget to watch that one. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.